Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 8 of January Shift 1 2020 question number 7. If 2 to the power 1 minus x plus 2 to the power 1 plus x, comma fx, comma 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus x are in AP, then minimum value of fx is 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of AP. There are three numbers which are in AP. So, according to AP, we know 2 of fx is equal to sum of these two numbers. That is 2 to the power 1 minus x plus 2 to the power 1 plus x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus of x. So this equal to, simplifying this, it becomes 2 by 2 to the power x plus 2 by 2 into 2 to the power x, and this become 1 plus 3 to the power x in plus 1 by 3 to the power x. So now 2 is common, so it is 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 by 3 to the power x. Now minimum value of fx is our question is minimum value of x. So our requirement, now we applying this function. This is reciprocal, this reciprocal this, and also this reciprocal this. So applying AM is greater or equal to GM here. Now this becomes, we know A plus B is by 2 is greater or equal to A into B, root over A into B. So AM is equal to here, I just write down A plus B. Let's suppose this is A and this is B. So A plus B by 2 AM is greater or equal to root over AB, that is GM. So here in this function, applying 3 to the power x plus 1 by 3 to the power x divide to greater or equal to 3 to the power x into 1 by 3 to the power x, that is equal to 1. So that implies 3 to the power x plus 1 by 3 to the power x greater or equal to 2. Now minimum value occur at the point A is equal to B. So we easily say this, easily say that 3 to the power x is equal to 1 by 3 to the power x, and this must be greater or equal to 2. So I just write down minimum value occur at A equal to B. So 3 to the power x is equal to 1 by 3 to the power x. That implies 3 to the power 2x is equal to 1. That implies 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 0. That is implies x is equal to 0. Similarly, we may say that this also 2 to the power x plus 1 by 2 to the power x is also greater or equal to 2, as it is also a reciprocal function, and applying am into gm here, am greater or equal to gm here, so it is also x is equal to 0 here. So finally our minimum value, so finally minimum 2 into f of x, this 2 into f of x is equal to 2 into this equal to, this becomes 1 by 2 to the power 0 means 1, and 2 to the power 0 means 1, 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus this becomes 3 to the power 0 means 1, and plus 1 by 3 to the power 0 means 1, 1 plus 1 is also 2, so this is 2. Now eliminated 2 in both sides, we get minimum f of x is equal to 2 is cancelled off, so 2 plus 2 is equal, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and this is our required answer. So minimum fx is equal to 3, and our option is option 3. So here is the whole problem with solution. Any question, any questions, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.